Hey everyone, this is Adip and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I talk about all my processes with Merch by Amazon, and I also share with you my numbers for extra motivation so you know exactly what to do and that anything is possible. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. If you've already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. It really means a lot. So after I did my last video on keyword research, I got a bunch of comments and messages asking me, Adnan, how do you build your listings? So today we're going to do even better. I'm going to show you how I list my products using the old method, which is single listings, and also the new method, which is the beta multi-products creation. This is amazing because it allows you to list about 10 products all at once and also to all marketplaces. So one design, you can convert it to about 10 uploads. Absolutely amazing. But the real magic happens when you actually combine the new beta multiple creation with Merch Informer Lister. This makes your listing process so blazing fast because you can upload 10 uploads with a single click of a button. And as a bonus, I'm going to throw in my account update so you guys can see my real-time numbers so you can get some extra motivation. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So because we spoke about 4th of July in my last video that I did on how I find keywords and how I do my keyword research, I'm going to use the same kind of concept and use this 4th of July related design that I just made quickly. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. I'm going to put it in the info card above. So firstly, I'm going to show you guys how to upload using the single upload feature, which is the old method before the beta program came out. So what you do is you click on upload right here. And you go to your design, America, which I've just designed now. Okay, great. So you click save and continue because we're uploading to the USA. We're going to click youth. Yes, we want it for youth as well. And for this design, I'm feeling dark colors. You could do lighter colors, but for this one, we'll do darker colors. Right here. And I'll choose the black, of course. I'll choose navy and blue since it's related to the American flag, and I think it looks good on that color. And red, of course. You could choose other colors, but this is what I prefer for this design right here. You could start with 19.99 or the lowest possible. So we'll do 13.07. So we can rank the t-shirt, then we can always increase our prices. So we'll click save and continue, and then we choose the brand right here. So I'm going to go through this listing with you guys right here because I want you to understand my thought process. So I've created I've accumulated the keywords that I wanted to get from different sources. And these are the keywords that I've ended up with. If you haven't seen my video about how I do keyword research, definitely check it out. I've showed you the info card. Definitely click on it and check it out because it will show you how I got these keywords. And I think these are the most popular keywords. So what we do for the brand is, you could do any keywords you want, but make sure that they are high traffic keyword combination that nobody else has. And you could even use your brand name and add these keywords to that brand name and make it a completely unique brand name. So we'll copy that and paste it in brand name. We'll go to, this is the title that I came up with. America is the design name, so obviously we want to put it right at the start. 4th of July is the niche. USA American flag is very high traffic keyword. Everybody's going to be looking for that keyword. Patriotic, very good keyword as well. T-shirt and gift. Reason why I selected t-shirt here and not shirt or tee is because the algorithm doesn't really care about this dash here. Right, so it would read it as T-shirts without the dash, or it could read it as shirts or as T and dash and shirts. So it is the best winning combination. So instead of using shirts, T-shirt as one word and T dash shirts 3 times, you could just use this combination right here. It works really well. And gift. So if somebody types 4th of July T-shirt gift, or 4th of July gift, and you rank for gift and 4th of July, you might actually show in those search results. So really important to include these high traffic keywords. Again, check out the video that I mentioned, how I search for keywords, because it is really what's going to solve the puzzle for you. So we'll copy that and paste it. And bullet number 1. We've chosen the price. Good. Bullet number 1. So what I did is, again, I made it into a readable or legible sentence rather than put in word after word after word after keyword, because that's not the way to do it. People are not going to like your description and they'll probably be turned off and click out of the listing. So that's what you want to do. You want to make it as a legible sentence, nice to read, but include your keywords in there. So I put, if you are patriotic, there's a keyword, and proud to be from the USA, there's another keyword. You will love this awesome vintage American flag themed tee. The reason why I included tee is because obviously a t-shirt is not going to be read by the algorithm as tee. So therefore it's another way to say t-shirt, and people might type tee instead of t-shirt. So as you guys can see in this first sentence here, it is legible. It doesn't look like it's keyword stuffing. I've selected some high traffic keywords, but not over the top, not too many kind of keywords right there. Bullet number 2, we said what the design is for, what it would be perfect for what kind of occasion. And also we're going to say who might be wearing this kind of design. So perfect for Independence Day, Memorial Day, Veterans Day, President's Day, and Labor Day, or any national holiday. Great for kids, both boys and girls, as well as adults, both men and women. Now, you might shoot me for using all these keywords right here, and you may be right. However, I don't feel it is keyword stuffing because, this design is relevant for all these genders. And I didn't say it in a way that it's keyword stuffed. So I didn't say boys, girls, grandma, grandpa, la 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 la. Yeah. So it is legible. You can read it. You can see that it makes sense. It's actually a sentence. And in the description here, I use call to action. So we want people to actually buy our design. So we tell them to buy our design. Grab this awesome design now and show it off to the world. We're all about patriotic American flag designs, so be sure to click our brand name to see other styles and colors. We want to send them to our brand name so that they can see what other stuff we have. If they don't like this design here, they might like another design in our brand. And make sure that your brand has all of the t-shirts or all of the products in your niche, in the same niche. Very important, because it'll be diverting traffic that not necessarily would be there if you don't drive it. So really, really important clue. So what we do here is we just click copy and paste, copy and paste. This is the old method, right? When I didn't have Merch Informer, that's what I used to do. There we go. Right, so this is the final screen before you can actually upload, or actually you can click submit products and it gives you this final screen here. But here is where you review your listing and you can see if you've made any mistake, or you want to make any changes. You can click on any of these edits to go back to the previous screens and make any necessary changes. But what I want to do as a final step, I've already checked these for trademark, but I'm going to check again with Merch Informer. By the way, if you don't have Merch Informer, definitely get it, guys. I've got an affiliate link that gives you 20% off, so definitely use it. I'm going to link it below in the description. So I click on Merch Informer Trademark Check right here, and it tells me, if there are any phrases that are trademarked. Anything that is highlighted here, we need to click so that we can check what's going on. 4th of July is trademarked as a design, so don't worry about that. You're only interested in text or typeset, but certain typesets, don't really matter. You need to do your research on that. Proud to be design, again, this is not trademarked. It's just a standard word, standard English. And we're going to check the second bullet point here. Independence Day. Okay, let's check this one out. Labor Day. Perfect. Right, let's check this one out. What I usually check for is goods and services. Okay, clothing, namely pants, capris, t-shirts. Okay, it does say that it is trademarked. One trick, guys, is you could go to Amazon and check Independence Day shirt and check newest arrivals to see if anybody has used that keyword and has gone through. If we're not sure, we're not going to use it at all. So when did this one go through? On the 11th of May. Okay. Click on it. Does it have Independence Day? There you go. Independence Day. I think it's safe because, you know, you can't trademark something that is as popular and as mainstream as Independence Day. It's like trademarking mum or dad or papa or, you know, something like that. So I would use it. Also, where were we? Yeah, Labor Day. Again, Labor Day, I have a feeling that it's the same thing. By the way, I don't have a t-shirt with these kind of keywords, so use at your own risk. But this is the way that I check, guys, just to make sure. Newest arrivals. When did they upload it? On the 11th of May. Click on it. Again, Memorial Day, President's Day, Labor Day, Veterans Day, Independence Day. So all of these are safe, guys. You can use them, not a problem. So you can literally click submit and OK, but I'm not going to do that. So that's the first method. The second method, I'm going to use Merch Informer. And the way to do that, guys, is you need to create an info profile. So we'll do the exact same thing, right? The exact same thing. America, and you put it in the brand name and title. Price, we'll do 1307, and we put first bullet in here, second bullet in here, and product description. And you just create a hotkey. I'm going to do Alt Z because it's quite close. And we'll do active. Done. And by the way, if you don't know how to get this extension, you just get it from Google Chrome. And you have to be a Merch Informer subscriber. Trust me, it's the best investment in your life because it's so cheap. I think it's $9.99. And it gives you all of the modules. Merch Informer Lister, Merch Informer Trademark Check. Literally, it will save you so much time. And also, yeah, we have to create a color profile, guys. So add color profile. We want to check dark, black, navy, royal blue, cranberry, just like we did earlier. And we select all of the sizes. And next info profile would be this one right here. We're not going to use a keyword spinner. We'll save that for another day. But it's an amazing, very useful tool as well, because you can actually do one profile and just spin the keywords. So if you have a bunch of scale designs, you can just change the keywords that way. Hotkey, we'll do Alt X, for example. Make it active. Done. Oh no, we need to have a name for it. So just put for America. Done. So to do it with Merch Informer, this is what you do. You upload your listing again. We want standard t-shirt, Amazon.com. And instead of going to every single color, going to every size and selecting stuff, what you do is you click on your hotkey that you selected earlier. So Alt X. Boom. It literally filled the whole thing out for you. The whole thing, right? And now all we need to do is proceed as normal. And it will show us this final review screen right here. And then we do the trademark check as usual. And yeah, check if it's all okay. Submit product. All done. Now the most exciting way by far is this way right here. This is the way that I use to upload 1,000 designs in a day. Trust me, if you don't believe me, check out the Facebook groups and you'll be able to see you know, how much I've been able to upload. It's crazy. Anyway, so what you do is you go to add multi-profile here in Merch Informer Lister. You enter your prices. So 19.99. Just so we are quick, I'm going to put 19.99 for everything. We need to enable premium shirts because it's not enabled by default. 19.99. V-neck 19.99. Long sleeves will do 19.99. Just so we are quick. Sweatshirts will do 26 or 29.99. And we'll do the same thing for hoodies, right? What we do is we copy our brand, title, key feature, and key features 2, and description. I would advise you to translate it into German, but for time saving purposes, we'll just use the English version. Now that we have the text fields filled, now we need to choose the colors. Again, you need to choose 10 colors. So 1, 2, I'm just choosing them randomly just for time saving purposes. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more for good luck. And raglans, since our design works with all the colors, we'll just choose all of them. Just to let you know, guys, these colors here are just for raglans, and these are for all the other products except raglans. So they would work for hoodies, for pretty much everything. If you need to add more colors, you can always add them into the beta multi-products creation. I'll show you what I mean. Men, women, youth, and we choose a hotkey of, say, Alt-A, and we make it active and done. This is where magic happens. All I did is I've uploaded the design like so to all the products except hoodies, and I did the hoodie one on its own. Now I have everything empty. Okay, as you can see, everything empty, nothing filled here. Yeah, just so you can see, nothing filled, right? This is the standard as it comes. By the way, check out this design. I've just made it in like 5-10 minutes, I think. It took me, I've put it here on Illustrator. It looks pretty cool. So now check this out. You will love this part. All you have to do is click Alt-A, but just to show you that there's nothing in there. This is the standard as it comes, usually, right? With nothing written. Okay, with nothing written in there. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, click Alt-A, and this is what happens. It goes through it one by one, it fills the whole thing. So if you're doing a series of listings in the same niche, this is perfect. It filled out everything for you. So look, it filled out your sizes, it filled out your colors, everything that you chose. And that's in UK, Germany, so same prices, right? Look. Again, these are just the colors that we input in Merch Informer. If you want to add more colors, by the way, you can fill the whole thing if you want to. So what I usually do, with these ones, we've achieved the maximum. But with these, I just go here, this looks good. Perfect, add it. Add this one as well. Add this one as well if you want to. This one. So I just go quickly. All I have to do is just add colors. And with this one, just add this and this. And that, you could add that if you want. This is all filled. You can add that if you want. You can add that. This is all filled out for you. And this is all filled out for you. And now all you have to do is make sure you check the trademarks. So it works this in the same way that I showed you earlier. All we have to do now is click review. Check if you're missing any product that you wanted to upload to. You're, by the way, uploading to all products and all marketplaces now. And when you click submit, it will just push it through. Perfect, and that's how you do it, guys. Amazing, simple and easy. So as I've always been transparent with you guys, here's an account update. Again, I'm going to do a little refresh just so we are all clear. And I think after this, we don't need to have to do this, but I'll just do it anyway. Ooh, just got 2 sales. Oh, no, 1 sale. As we did the refresh, you saw it all, guys. So I'm just going to have to hide this right here. And yeah, as you could see, it's all live. Yesterday we did 201. It was all right. It was a good day yesterday in terms of sales. And yeah, we've been averaging over 100 every single day. So not too bad. Not too bad. Last 7 days, 1,304 sales with 3,000 plus royalties. Again, I'm showing these guys to you just for motivation. I don't really want to show off or anything like that. I don't benefit from it in any way, shape or form. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you found it beneficial and informative. If you're a current subscriber, thank you so much. Really means a lot. You know, your support is much appreciated. And if you're just checking this channel out, make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Trust me, you would not regret it, because I'll be coming out with some amazing tips and tricks, everything that I personally use to make me achieve these numbers, and it will help you too. All you have to do is execute. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you in the next video.